In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Minimax text to video. Also, by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Watermark for free. The good thing about this is you don't need a computer, you can just use your phone. So stick with me till the end. First, you're going to go to Google and search for Hailuo AI. Click the first link with this logo. After logging in, you will be presented with this interface, which I know might be overwhelming and confusing at first, but I assure you by the end of this video, everything is going to make sense. First, you're going to need to create an account, which is super easy. After creating an account, you will be given free credits. They gave me over 1,000 credits, in which it takes only 30 credits per video to create. With that, let's create our videos. To do that, click Create on your right. Minimax gives us two main methods to generate videos. We can either describe what we want using text, or we can start with an existing image and bring it to life. For this tutorial, we'll use text to video method. I'm going to type a young Egyptian modern boy about 8-year-old walking on a busy street and click Generate. It will take some time because we are using the free version. You can create up to 3 videos on one go. So let's create another one while waiting for this one. For the second one, I'm going to try to get creative and type like a girl crying in a cinematic way, camera moving left. While waiting, let's create another one, like a man in shock after discovered his wife cheating on him. Let's see if the AI can get that one right. The results are ready and they look amazing. You can actually see a young boy on a busy street. You can also notice people in the background moving smoothly, almost like they were real. The second video, you can see girl emotions look so genuine, real like you are watching a real actress performing. In the third video, I don't think they got it right. They thought the wife was cheating on exam, but the expressions on the man face are amazing. He looks so real. To download the videos, just click the download icon. As you can see, the videos got watermarks. I'm gonna show you how to remove automatic. You're gonna go to Google and search for Make AI. Click the first link you see. After logging in, you will see this interface which got a lot of options. Make is a tool which you can use to enhance your videos, remove watermark, and also remove background. But we are here to remove watermark, so I'm gonna click Try it now. Here, you're gonna need to upload the video you want to remove watermarks. I'm just going to upload this video and wait a little bit to load. Now just wait, the AI will do it magic. And that's it, let's play the video and see for ourselves. As you can see, the video doesn't have any watermarks. To save the video, just click the 3 dots and download. That's it guys, if you found this video helpful, please like and goodbye for now.